Starting with the greatest name of Almighty Allah, who is Rahman and Rahim, who is the most merciful and the most beneficent. What He sees cannot be seen. What He creates cannot be created. Honorable Chief Guest, venerated Director, respected teachers, Assalamu alaikum. Today I have to talk on the topic, is man shape society or society shapes man? Dear listeners, the relationship between society and individuals is a dynamic one, and it's often challenging to determine whether society shapes a man or man shapes society. Both aspects influence to each other in a continuous and interconnected manners. But in my opinion, man shapes society. Because the existence of society is the result of human evolution. So man can change, shape and mold a society. As Allama Iqbal said, अफराद के हाथों में है अक़वाम की तक़दीर, अफराद के हाथों में है अक़वाम की तक़दीर, हर फर्द है मिल्लत के मुक़द्दर का सितारा. Dear audience, in fact the actions, activities and feats of a man decide that how a society should be. It means that the structure of society is based on the actions and activities of individuals in a society. Mr. President, throughout the history, leaders and change makers have emerged to drive societal progress and transformation. Influential figures have shaped policies, ideologies and movements that have profound impact on society. Social activism and advocacy, individuals who feel strongly about social issues can mobilize and create movements for positive change. In essence, individuals have complete ability to change the society. If the individuals don't like the society, they start struggles and movements to change the society. As Nelson Mandela started struggles against the discriminated society and finally molded it into a new shape. To conclude my speech, I want to say that man is the power who puts the foundation of a culture